If you're experiencing approval delays on Xbox, follow these simple steps to help resolve the issue quickly. This guide will walk you through the process to get your approvals back on track. Step 1. Check your account status. Ensure that your Xbox account is in good standing. Log into your account and verify that there are no outstanding issues, such as payment problems or policy violations that could be causing the delay. Step 2. Review submission guidelines. Go through the submission guidelines for the content you are trying to get approved. Make sure that your submission meets all the requirements and standards set by Xbox, as failing to comply can lead to delays. Step 3. Contact support. Reach out to Xbox support for assistance. Use the official support channels to explain your situation and provide any necessary details. They can give you specific information about the status of your approval. Step 4. Follow up. If you do not receive a response within a reasonable timeframe, follow up with support. Persistence can help ensure that your issue is prioritized and addressed more quickly. Step 5. Be patient and plan ahead. Understand that approval processes can take time, especially during peak periods. Plan your submissions accordingly and be patient while waiting for a response, as this can help reduce frustration. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve approval delays on Xbox effectively. Remember to stay informed and proactive to prevent future issues.